Welcome to the Pro Cut Scissors. Yeah, Pro Cut Scissors. Now, when we first developed these scissors, I didn't think that Tonic Studios could do anything better than the scissors that they'd already got. You know, all those beautiful scissors. I never thought we could better the cut on those, but oh my word, was I wrong. So these are Pro Cut Scissors. So Pro Cut Scissors come in a 9.5 inch. They come in an 8.5 inch. They come in a 6.5 inch. And they also come in a wee little diddy 5-inch scissor. Okay, now what is different about a Pro Cut scissor? A Pro Cut scissor, if I get our other handled scissors, you can instantly see that this bit here has now disappeared. Okay, we've now got the metal going all the way through there, so there's no more plastic on there, which is a good thing. Let's face it, we're all trying to reduce the plastic, but these are a lot better in their content of carbon. Now, what does that mean to you as a crafter? It may mean absolutely nothing, but what it actually means to us as a manufacturer, it means that we can cut these and grind them on what they call a CNC machine. And that means that you get a lot better and precise grind on the blades. Because of that higher carbon content, it allows that CNC to put an absolute precision cut on the blade, okay? And it is a beautiful, beautiful scissor, okay? Once you've tried them, you will really notice the difference compared to your normal scissors. Now, not only do we do them in those sizes, if you are somebody who is left-handed, we also do a left hand in the 8.5 inch blade as well. I can guarantee that once you've tried these, you'll be like, I know what she's talking about. They really do cut beautiful. Get yourself on the website and have a look.